Okay, let's start over. Go fast. Here's the deal. My camera keeps going out of me. It's a Cheapo. This is looking at the laundromat up there. If I want to go up there, hopefully I don't trip and fall. That cross street is Adams. And I kind of wanted to go get another view of the alley. Doesn't it look pretty on the trees? Yeah, it does. But I so don't want to have no more winter. We got a foot on the ground, people. It has to be a foot. There's one good thing about the snow. As a general rule, it does slow people down. Okay. See, I told you, it's pretty on the trees. This is why I wanted to come back here. This is the nicest, cleanest look you're going to see of this alley from ground level. Oh, Lordy. Yeah. Isn't it pretty? Sure it is. Looks to me like that one limb is down though. There is slushy, half-frozen. I don't even know if the laundromat's open. I had to come out. I had to say something about not very much traffic. Now look at them. Here they all come. I'm sorry might be jerking people, but I'm wading snow, okay? We're talking wading snow. That corner right there looking down that street, I didn't go down there yesterday, but I'm pretty sure that's one of the spots that flooded out because we had flooding. I won't go into that. It doesn't flood up here. It floods in the lower spots and it floods downtown, but that's got more to do with worker bees than it does with the actual amount of water. When the water can't get down the drains because they need cleaning, oh well. Morning. I didn't put you in it. Anyway, that's down the street and you go around the corner and my bank's down there. Didn't have to go to my bank, thank God. Oh. Yeah. Hey, buddy. There's a guy down there that's got flashing lights and he's got some kind of a thing on the back that he might be able to dig us out with, but he's going somewhere else. He's coming. We'll see. There's another one with him. It's one of those things. It pushes stuff. Yeah, like that. Like that. Come back here. We want to use your cat. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. We've got 5 minutes on it. I guess probably the snow coming down is showing up in this. And yes, Kat, I will be sending you a copy of this. What in the world? How am I going to get around this? That's slushy water there. Ooh. It's a low spot because you get up here and it's not like that. This is our local bone crusher. I mean, a chiropractor. I don't have a whole lot of faith in him. There's another view of part of our alley and back. It looks pretty good with that view. I guess you know when I get done doing this, I'm going to go in and I'm going to make me some hot chocolate. Not hot cocoa, hot chocolate. I'm just going to go through here. Seems to be less snow. Now where was the snow at Christmas time? Where was winter at Christmas time? Does this, the other day I thought March came in like a lamb, but since it's barely here, this is only the 5th, right? Then that would mean this is another street the other way. I don't know if I'm going to go through this alley or not. A walk in the snow. There's a snow tree. I didn't know they had a snow tree planted. Yep, people, your vehicles need cleaning off. I don't guess they're going anywhere, so I want to come down here and how do I guess I just walk across, don't I, in this field of snow. This would be a great place to make snow angels. Snowmen. There. This is the alley from another direction. Ooh. If somebody decides to come down this alley, I'm just out of luck, ain't I? The tracks down here right now, they look to be about a foot deep, sorry, and this hasn't been plowed. Somebody might have threw up some of this snow over to the side, but it has not been plowed. I'm trying to get as far as the back of my house. Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, well, I'm going to turn it off. I might come back out tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll be too stoved up tomorrow. Who knows? I told you, it's not that great looking. The alleys never are. I want to see the back of my house. Don't you think it's pretty on the trees? I have to keep reminding myself. Okay, what you see up there, that one window to the right, that way, that's my bedroom window. That's my window on the world and our storms. Well, gotta go, people. Gotta get in. I'm getting cold. Gotta change all my clothes because I'm getting wet. Getting wet, getting cold is not a good idea. So, I'm gonna go inside. Later, I'm gonna go to the laundromat when I'm warm and dry again so I can get cold and wet again. God bless. Everybody stay safe. If you're getting this where you're at, I feel for you. Praying for all the people in Kentucky. My friends from Michigan are in Kentucky, going through Kentucky. They're stuck on that freeway. It's a sad, bad way to make the news. I can tell you that. Lots of friends south, down the southern counties, they've had snow and sleet, but they've had mostly rain and flooding yesterday. It's real bad down there in places. I'll let you go. God help us get through this. Amen.